हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द ब्लॉग। आज का ब्लॉग काफ़ी मज़ेदार होने वाला है। आज हम जयपुर स्थित द फेमस हवा महल के बारे में जानेंगे। We recently visited Jaipur in November 2020 in our Diwali vacations and I had a beautiful experience of this place, so I thought to share that all of you guys, it may helpful someone who is planning to visit this place. Watch the video till end. I will share much insights about this place, so stay tuned. So I went. Let's ride to the iconic landmark in Jaipur, the beautiful Hawa Mahal. So how to reach to Hawa Mahal? Jaipur airport is 12.2 kilometers from the Hawa Mahal. You can hire a taxi from exit to drive to the place. Booking cabs or bikes online are maybe a good option for you. Or lastly, you can catch a local bus from the stop near the airport, which is a most cost-effective way of traveling. We went to Jaipur from Delhi by our own car. It's nearly 230 kilometers apart. As we visited this place on the occasion of Diwali, so this place has on its own glory. दिवाली की सजावट से जगमगा उठा था जयपुर, जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हो वीडियो के अंदर। ये प्लेस जहाँ से हम गुजर रहे हैं, दिस इज़ अ जौहरी बाज़ार रोड इन पिंक सिटी. वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स जौहरी बाज़ार. This entire market has been made in a consistent color scheme of Pink City, giving it a charming look, isn't it? This market area is a great place to buy anything and everything. यहाँ से आप जयपुरी फेमस ज्वेलरी खरीद सकते हो, which is made up of gold, silver, diamond and emeralds. There is amazing collection of Jaipuri jutis, lehengas and saris, as well as the most famous one, Lakh ki Chudiya. Yes, I brought the one. It is worth to walking down this street just for the experience. However, do note there is no parking area available here. So leave your car behind and catch public transport. हवा महल का निर्माण सन 1799 में महाराजा सवाई प्रताप सिंह ने करवाया था, जो महाराजा सवाई जय सिंह के पोते थे. The story of the birth of this place started when Pratap visited Junjunu and saw खेतरी महल. महाराज काफ़ी इम्प्रेस हुए खेतरी महल की यूनिक डिज़ाइन से एंड उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वह इसका बेटर वर्जन का निर्माण करेंगे. उनके इस सपने को लालचंद उस्ताद जी ने तराशा and this place ended up making one of the best monuments history has ever created. The primary purpose for creating this palace was to give a royal woman a separate place. From Hawa Mahal, they could enjoy the everyday lives and celebrations of festival through the windows without being seen, as they were not allowed to go out in public without a veil. And guys, look at here, we reached the place. The entire architecture made with red and pink sandstone along with white marble inside the palace. हवा महल का मुख्य आकर्षण इसका पिरामिड आकार और इसकी 953 खिड़कियाँ है. इस महल का निर्माण हिंदू देवता कृष्ण के मुकुट के रूप में किया गया था. राजा सवाई प्रताप सिंह भगवान कृष्ण के बड़े भक्त थे. लालचंद उस्ताद जी ने इस महल को एक पिरामिड के आकार में डिज़ाइन किया था, जिसका अग्रभाग मधुकोश के समान है और 953 झरोखे हैं. इन छोटी खिड़कियों को पारंपरिक मारवाड़ी डिज़ाइन में खूबसूरती से तराशा गया है, जो जटिल जाली से ढकी हुई है. जाली को इस तरह से डिज़ाइन किया गया है कि महल में हवा का प्रवाह हो सके और गर्मी के महीनों के दौरान इसे हवादार रखा जाए. इस 5 मंजिला महल में से जयपुर का मनमोहक दृश्य दिखाई देता है. So now let me share some insights about this place. What's the timings to visit this place? This place is open from 9 to 5 for visitors. Entry fees ₹50 for Indian tourists and 200 for the foreign tourists. Let me share some name of the cafes which are near about the Hawa Mahal, from where you can have a food with this excellent view. Of course, you can click beautiful pictures with this monument. First one is Tattoo Cafe, second Wine View Cafe, third one is Lakshmi Mistan Bandhar, that is LMB. I will share these names in description as well, you can check it. Now what is the best time to visit this place? Best time to visit Hawai Mahal is winter, that is from October to March. It is the time in Jaipur when average temperature will be the way better than the daily temperature of summer days. You can easily roam around the city and explore the places. So friends, it is all about the Hawai Mahal. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.